Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the image and getting access. First, optimize the new image to appropriate size and format so load times stay low. Then log into the exact place you'll make the change, FTP client, hosting control panel, or your CMS admin. Once connected, find and back up the current image file and note its path or URL so you can restore it if needed. Make sure file naming is consistent. Now you're ready to replace the asset. Now replace the image in the Site Files or CMS. If you uploaded a file with the same name to the original directory, the site will use it automatically. Otherwise, update the image reference in HTML, CSS background, or template files to the new path. Be sure to check responsive sizes and alt text. Once updated, clear any server or CDN cache and then refresh your browser cache so you see the change immediately. If you use versioned assets, increment the finish by verifying the image loads correctly across devices and browsers. You should inspect the element to confirm the image URL returns 200 and not 404. If you see an error, correct the path or fix file permissions. Once done, confirm alt text and accessibility attributes are present. If changes don't appear due to caching, purge CDN or rename the file and update the reference. One tip: if permissions or 404 persist, re-upload and check ownership before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.